Shadow by Rolly A. De La Cruz. One day at home, I was quite alone. I played a game and it's all my own. Then I saw something move and it was scary. I hid myself so no one can see me. I hid behind the shelves and looked around. I can't see a thing. I can't hear a sound. Still, I saw a movement lurking behind me. So, to the dark kitchen, I started to flee. And as I stood there, I saw a mirror. I saw my reflection and nothing more. I laughed at myself because now I see it's only my shadow that was hunting me.